Before we dive in, it's crucial to know that a few conditions must be met for you to upgrade early with Spectrum Mobile. Firstly, your account must be in good standing. Secondly, you should have paid off at least half the cost of your current device. And finally, you need to return your old device in good working condition. If you meet these requirements, Spectrum will waive the remaining payments on your old phone, allowing you to upgrade right away. Now let's talk costs. The upgrade cost hinges on whether you are enrolled in the Spectrum Mobile Protection Plan. If you're covered by this plan, you're in luck. Your upgrade is absolutely free. If not, there's a $45 upgrade fee. Additionally, Spectrum provides an option to trade in your old phone for credit towards your new one, which could be a great way to save some money. So, how exactly do you complete the upgrade? Online upgrading is a breeze. Simply log into your Spectrum account, navigate to Manage Account, and select Manage Devices. From there, choose the new phone you have your eye on and follow the prompts to complete the upgrade process. Alternatively, if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can visit a Spectrum retail store. The friendly staff will be more than happy to assist you with your upgrade. To wrap it up, this video has guided you through the key steps for upgrading your Spectrum mobile phone, from eligibility requirements to costs involved, and the process of upgrading online or in-store. For a more in-depth guide, be sure to check out the detailed article linked in the video description below. And remember, upgrading your phone should be an exciting process, so enjoy the journey to your new device.